Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to remove face lock in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the fingerprint paste in password. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint paste in password, okay, in biometrics, okay, you can see the paste. Okay, you only have to do is click paste. And okay guys, we need to enter the lock screen password before to proceed. And okay guys, here in paste, okay, you can see the paste enroll, okay, on the top. And okay guys, on the right side, okay, you can see the delete icon, okay. To remove or to delete the paste lock in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you only have to do is click the delete icon. And the pop-up will show, and okay, delete paste. Okay, you only have to do is select delete. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the face lock in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.